In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time block in Obsidian with the Day Planner timeline. Time blocking in Obsidian uses the Day Planner plugin to build a visual timeline that's linked to your daily notes, so your schedule and your notes live in one place. This setup works smoothly with core plugins, giving you reliable scheduling and task tracking all inside your vault. First, install the essentials. Open Settings, go to Core Plugins, and enable Daily Notes. Then head to Community Plugins, browse for Day Planner, install it, and enable it. If you're prompted to add data view, go ahead. Some views and queries rely on it, and it keeps things snappy as your notes grow. Next, configure Day Planner so it behaves the way we want. In the Day Planner options, change file mode to command mode for clean template-driven planner sections. Enable complete past planner items so anything you didn't finish gets marked consistently, and turn on the status bar feature to see what's coming up at a glance. Finally, disable Mermaid Gantt to keep the experience focused on Day Planner's native timeline. Now create today's daily note. Click the calendar icon in the left sidebar or open the command palette with Command or Control plus P and choose Open Today's Daily Note. This gives you a fresh, dated page that anchors the whole plan. Add your time blocks from the command palette by running Day Planner. Add a Day Planner template for today. You'll see a planner section inserted into the note. Enter tasks using a 24-hour time range and a checkbox. For example, type a dash, a space, an empty checkbox, then 08 os casos 09 hotuak, followed by the task name like meeting. Keep using that same format for each block and check the box as you complete items to keep your progress in sync. To view and manage the visual timeline, run the Show Timeline command or click the timeline ribbon icon. A sidebar opens with your schedule. You can drag blocks to adjust start and end times, and the corresponding lines in your note update automatically. Turn on current time tracking to show a red progress bar, making it easy to see exactly where you are in the day. A few tips to make this stick. Nest subtasks under a block by indenting them beneath the main task, so details stay organized without cluttering the timeline. If you use the Tasks plugin, schedule items with the symbol followed by YYYYMMDD to surface vault-wide tasks in your plan. Avoid rapid-fire edits to many blocks, especially if you sync, to prevent conflicts. And for multi-day planning, switch to the week view to map your big picture while today's note remains your home base. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Obsidian tips and tutorials.